Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama and I'm with my friend Patty and in her one-room hydroponic studio. Oh, look at that.
Ito, tawag namin dito microgreen because micro is actually the same plant you have grown up. So this is pechay.
Yes.
You know pechay grows. But the difference lang is we eat it when it's still young. Because it's just as much, it's if not more nutritious than a mature plant.
Tama-tama, meron akong tokwa.
Correct!
You can make it green or eat it the way it is now,
You
or
can
make it grow. It becomes
Make it
pechay.
grow, some of it.
Yeah,
Make it grow.
becomes pechay if you want the. See, these are the baby leaves, right? These are the baby leaves. So the real leaves will come out. That's the real leaf coming out. Yeah, so it'll become the pechay. So this is
Pero
pechay.
ilaw mo, yan yung sinabi mo na may measurement, di ba? Yung light na yan, yung sa unang YouTube
First, sa
mo.
microgreen, water lang ang kailangan. No? Dito sa lights, ordinary LED daylight. This is 18 watt. 18 watt daylight. Ito naman, so microgreen pa rin to. Ano siya?
Beet?
Beet, exactly. And it tastes like the red beet. Right? if you grow it, it has the roots.
Yun nga yung...
Right. So what you can do is, here, make you taste it.
Pwede?
Yeah, of course, you can eat it now eh. That's the thing with microgreen. It will taste like...
Is it sweet? A little
No, it
bit?
tastes fruity.
Taste fruity.
Like
Ah,
the
okay.
earth.
Pero wala lang siyang yung lasang-lasang lupa talaga.
Okay? So that's our... This is what we
Pechay
ate.
sa akin,
This is what we
pechay.
ate for lunch. You eat it. You can eat it. You can eat it fresh.
Yeah, I
You
want to eat it fresh. You know, just
You
like a
can.
topping for a
Yes,
salad.
you can. Or cook it. Okay, so you can eat it fresh or you can cook it. So that's...
Pero seclusive, sarado dapat.
Hindi. Wala. Naka-aircon lang kami because of the party, right?
Oh.
Pero sa regular environment, open lang po.
Masarap pa.
So ang ilaw from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m.
May
Ang
oras
ilaw.
lang. Pero sa gabi talaga magdidimdim siya.
Kailangan talaga itin. So ito naman, so this is micro. Now we're going to hydroponics talaga. Where ito, nutrient solution naman. Kasi ang plant will grow.
Nga Tita Pat, ang tanong ko, ikaw ang gumagawa ng nutrient solution o binibili mo rin?
Binibili mo yung powder and minimix mo.
Mix mo.
So, ano siya, because this is a pepper, this will grow forever, right? It will grow this tall, give fruits, and then keep giving you the leaves, right? So, this example na. So, of the solution. The roots are not yet,
Ilang days para palta mo yung solution?
you don't change it, you refill it.
Kasi
So,
kinukuha
parang
niya
siyang
just
na.
keep
gasoline
adding,
niya.
oo.
You just keep adding and adding. So, the question is how much solution do you put? Now, since yung roots niya is shallow, right, hindi siya long, so if the cup is
Mataas
here,
pa.
the solution is the same. Para, the cocoa peat remains wet. Kasi
Ano po ito?
clay balls.
That's the one sewing.
Clay ball. Kasi kung walang clay ball, kasi look, it touch the cocoa peat. Touch it. It's wet, right? It's wet because the solution is keeping it moist. So because it's wet and expose it to light, it will get algae.
oo.
Ayaw mo algae, kaya nilalagay mo yung clay balls. Pero
Okay.
sana wala. Pero as the plant grows and the roots are longer, hindi ba ang solution niya halfway? Hindi ito magiging wet na. It will be dry.
Kasi yung root na yung kukuha.
Exactly.
Ay, mahaba na.
So, ang solution niya, tingnan mo, nasa
Sa ilalim na.
nandito ang solution.
Kalahati na.
Yeah. So, half of the root on top, nasa air.
Sana pala nag-ano ka na lang, may basement ka pala.
Meron ako doon sa labas, yung mga old ones na. Yung, the one
Ano
you
yun?
can eat.
Ano po yun? Pesto!
Pesto, yeah. Yeah, there's enough pesto there. This one naman is chive. Again, it's hydroponics in a way na talagang
Sir,
nutrient
ano nga po
solution.
sa Tagalog po yan?
Chives?
Chives?
Hindi ko alam.
Parang scallions. Wow.
Okay.
Sibuyas?
Like onions.
Okay.
Onion flavor. Oh. So the solution is there kasi wala pang roots. So kailangan
Mataas.
Puno.
Yeah, puno. Well, in a way na
Hanggang
wet
dito.
hanggang moist
It
yung.
should
Oh,
reach
so
the soil.
for me to check, I check up the weight. and I go like this. It's wet. I'm okay. I don't need to open it and look anymore. I'm just doing it right
So
now.
lahat sila.
Yeah, all of these that are on bigger containers, the same on outside, are hydro.
Bakit ito walang foil? Ito meron.
Kasi 15 days mawawala na to eh. You will harvest it, so
Okay.
it doesn't have enough time for the algae to develop.
The
longer-
foil is there
Kasi
for the
prevent the
algae,
light.
not to penetrate the
Yeah, and since it's a
solution.
long-term plant, like this is like 45 days.
Pechay ito.
No, romaine.
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 Oh, so sarap. Diba?
Mini romaine.
Pwede na tayo dito mag-green salad.
Yeah, naubos ko lang yung green
Kaya
salad.
pala naman eh.
There's see there.
Mahaba
It's very
na.
clean. Do you see the green?
Yeah.
You see that's like the algae that developed, no? But it's not going to harm it already because it's in the dry area already. But this is eggplant, right?
Ano po siya, variant? Yung
Long.
white. So it's a white eggplant.
Yeah, and it's long. The eggplant
Long,
is
not the egg.
the round.
Oo.
This is round over here. This one is
Ayun
round.
pala pinagkaibahan ng dahon. Pabilog rin yun.
Itong bilog, itong long.
Uh-huh.
And they're both having the flowers already.
Alam mo yun, tita, kasi sa tatanga ko bakit eggplant. Mahaba siya.
May round.
Egg.
round.
Uh-huh.
So, di ba yung mga naughty,
Right.
naughty person, because it's near the egg. Pero sa America nakikita, naughty.
You're on video.
Aluminum foil cover so that it will reflect the light onto the plant.
Okay.
Kasi kung wala, edi sayang yung ilaw. Right?
Yeah.
So, it's
So,
like this.
si save rin sa
Yeah.
kanya para
Yeah.
babalik din sa kanya.
Yeah, it's ordinary foil. You put it on paper,
Yeah.
right? You can of course buy more expensive alternatives,
But you don't have
like I
to.
said, no, I'm cheap. So this is just aluminum foil. So that's really, but here in the microgreen, I don't need it anymore because it's so near to the light. It's only about 2 inches away already. So there's no need to put foil on microgreen. It's just ordinary seeds. So these are a brand called Ramgo, right? This kale, radish, you saw that. So alfalfa. Oh, by the way, do you want? I'll teach you how to grow. Is it okay? Can I teach her how to grow? Because there's here you can have this barley seeds. I'll teach you how to grow this now. Okay, so you a container like this, a simple. Yeah, you can always get this from eating noodle soup. We'll do this and we'll grow it now. Okay. And
Okay.
then in 6-7 days, I guarantee you, you'll have barley. Now, what's barley?
Make it
You
into
make it a
tea.
tea.
You
With
crush
the
it.
green barley.
Yeah, it's up to you. Okay,
It's very
so we use
healthy
that.
though.
Yes,
It's
It's
an
supposed to be.
antioxidant.
So look at all the seeds you can avail of. So I'm going to grow these sage and thyme as a vegetable or as a herb. So
Pero ang
As
kain
hydro.
nutrition siya. Fine, pwedeng pansya.
yeah, actually halos lahat. So these are microgreen seeds. But these ones I'm going to grow it full mature. I won't eat it young. Okay, but I mean there's so many choices that you have that
You
can
ordered
choose.
it from Lazada?
Yeah, some of them are in the Ace Hardware.
Ah,
Some of
okay.
them are already, you can just pick it off. This is about 150 pesos. Amaranth is what? Amaranth is spinach. So instead of
bad for
making it grow, yeah, instead of
What's
making
good
it grow.
for me is parsley.
Okay, you can grow parsley. I think I have parsley somewhere here. I bought parsley somewhere. Anyway, it's up to you. Basta when you want to eat it rather than waiting for it to mature, which is like 60-90 days. Yeah, you just microgreen it. So let's learn that. These are the peas.
Ang dami.
Yeah, we'll bring it with us. Na overnight, 2 nights or 1 night.
2 nights to
So
remove the
left
chlorine.
open.
O bakit may chlorine ba tubig dito?
Yes.
Yeah, everywhere. In Metro
Everywhere.
Manila.
Unless deep well ka. Or so what we do is we just moisten it, right? Just so that we can microwave it. So I just moisten it. It's like cooking. The difference is I just like it to feel moist.
Mas ano na siya.
Okay, that's it. Microwave na. 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Oo.
3 minutes in the
Wanna
microwave.
feel it? Set it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Start. Okay, just wait for it. I'm gonna wash it.
Yes. Pack it. Pack it. Yes.
Oo.
See pa. Yeah.
Kaya nga, mas malinis pa daw po to sa...
Soil. Okay, good na. Sa, alam mo na. Okay, get the spritz. There. And you want to moisten it more.
Again.
Yes, again. Yes.
Kasi para bumaba.
That's
Yes,
water
that's why.
that you have left
Overnight,
Let-
open
oh,
container overnight.
an
Here,
open
like this.
container,
That
like
we've
this
left in an
one.
open container overnight.
so that you remove the chlorine from the
Yes.
water.
Moist na, hindi pa.
Okay, that's fine. Now you get your seeds. Here you go. You can have these. Okay, that's your seeds.
Hindi, kukuha na lang po.
No, you can have it. I don't like barley as much as peas.
Ilan po lahat?
No, just enough to distribute.
Gaganyan lang?
More, yeah. Don't be afraid.
Kasi
Don't
po baka...
tipid.
Hindi kasi di ba baka pagka mas masisikip, hindi sila na
No,
ano...
but that's true if you're growing long. But they'll be eaten in 7 or 8 days. So that's fine. I'd put more. Yeah.
Magtsatsa na ako, magtsatsa kami pati.
Huwag mo sayangin, kailangan.
Okay. All right, that's good. So these seeds are yours. Okay, and no need to do that. You just put water again. You need to water the seeds. Yeah. This time I want more water because the seeds should be wet, more or less. Yung iba, binababad to for 10 minutes, 30 minutes. But for me, I don't think it's necessary.
Di ba na uso noon po yung green barley?
Yeah, that's it.
That's the
This
one.
is it. This is it.
Si nanay tagang nilalagok lang niya yun.
Really?
Oh, your mom will be very happy.
Okay. Let me see.
Hindi
Pero
po.
you had a hard time.
Kasi parang ano daw yung sa diabetes niya before. But she's no longer with us.
Okay.
She's in
Then,
heaven.
depending on the seed, basta you cover it.
Cover it
Okay,
a
just
little
cover
bit.
it. Yeah. So sometimes the seed is so small, just still cover it. Right? Yung iba, they don't bother covering it, but I think you should. That's just a habit I have. Just to cover the seed.
Para hindi rin ano nun sa
Anyway, the
No,
the
just to
coco
keep it
peat-
moist.
The coco peat is
Uh-uh.
so coarse that it will push through.
And you want it to be moist
All
kasi
the
during
time.
its germination, which is going to be about 3 or 4 days.
Okay.
You want it, okay, that's fine.
Pero
And
hindi kailangan punong-puno yung
no,
spray
no,
lang talaga.
no. Just enough for it to get roots. And then we spray again. Right? Okay. What we do, spray. And then, you put this under darkness.
Sa ilalim ng bed
For
ko.
how many days?
3 or 4 days. Or in a box. I use a box.
Just put
Yeah.
it inside the box.
Just put it
Sa
inside
box
the
na lang po, baka galawin ng mga
Yeah.
Oh,
Now,
ni
babae.
Chico at saka
Yeah.
ni Chico.
Now
Chico.
I do something
Pusa.
else. I do something else aside from darkness. I put weights. Why? Because we're simulating soil. Soil is heavier than cocoa peat, and soil is in darkness. Leave all the seeds are germinating. So I like to simulate that.
Anong pang, anong...
Anything
A
you
block
can
of
use.
wood.
Yeah, wood. If you don't have wood, I'll show you.
It's 350 per sack. The BMEG sack.
Email.
BMEG.
What's that?
The big,
Oh, that's huge.
yeah, the huge one.
Yeah. I buy a sack, but it costs me like 80 pesos. But it's only this small.
Uh-huh.
About 8 liters.
I need to buy a big one for my other plants.
Okay.
That's what I use.
Under the sink,
I'm gonna try the same thing that you did.
you can use the, well, you have your own cocoa peat.
Yeah.
Yung piece lang, just, what do you call that? Leave it,
lang muna.
just put it under water for 2 hours. Just to,
Before
before planting them
plant.
because they're a little bit dry.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
dry. And their kernels a little bit fat.
Okay.
Tita Pat,
I will do that after I harvest my.
Yeah.
So I have a container
Yeah.
to use.
Yeah.
tapos ano, Tita Pat, okay lang to sa box, as in yung nilalagyan ng grocery box?
Yeah, I'll show you. Come here. Seeds. Oh. See, I'm germinating.
Ah.
Yeah, you see the weights?
Oo nga.
Yeah. Oh.
Kahit kahoy lang po pala, Tita Lums.
Oh,
Yeah.
Or sandbags, because I have sand from the aquarium.
Oh, yeah.
Talk, you know. Yeah. So, are there any seed? This is strawberry. So let's see kung meron strawberry. Now, minsan, like on strawberry 7 days, matagal ang strawberry.
Pero-
I saw this coming out. Then I put it na under the lights.
Okay.
Pag
Yung sa akin, kailangan kong may lights. O
Yeah,
kailangan
just put it
sunlight.
kung
outside.
mayroon kang outside.
Oo, just put it outside where there's
Basta wag lang
natural light.
makikita ng mga dog
It
and
just needs
cats.
watering. So, being me, I water every 2 days. What's watering mean? So you just put water here in the container.
Plain old simple water.
Treated yung water na wala ng
waiter,
chlorine.
oo. Wala ng chlorine.
Kung gusto mo, distilled water pero mahal. Diba?
Oo.
Okay, you just
More.
put water, make it a little bit deeper than
Ilang
this.
oras po dapat yung
Just
water
10
na
seconds.
Hindi, yung water para matanggal
One
ko
day,
na
over
One day,
over one day.
overnight.
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 24 hours.
And then you just push it in like that. You wait 10 seconds. If it's deeper, if the water was deeper, you'll see the water
yeah.
here. That's about it.
Bus na. Bilis
See? Yeah. He drank it all.
Yeah.
That's it. Gonna put it back under the light. That's it. So that's
That's how
the
you
same thing
water
we will
it.
do. Yeah, that's the same thing we will do here. So every 2 days you can water it. Make it a little bit deeper.
Okay.
The water.
Let's go in for
So
it.
it's more moist.